Dassault Falcon 2000EX. This is a super mid-size airplane that Dassault commenced production with in 2004 and continued deliveries with the aircraft in 2009. There were in total 105 2000EXs produced. One is no longer in service, so currently we have 104 aircraft still in operation. The 2000EX is capable of about 4,000 nautical miles. The outstanding feature of this particular model of airplane is the fact that it is a great high, hot, heavy performance aircraft. By that we mean capability to operate out of ski country airports and go distance. The aircraft requires at sea level about 85 feet worth of runway for takeoffs and amazing performance in and out of short fields. The Falcon 2000EX is 66 feet in length and has a wingspan of 63 feet. Let's go inside and take a look at the cabin. Coming into the main cabin, you will see that this particular Falcon 2000EX is configured in the most popular arrangement for 10 passengers. It consists of a forward 4-place club arrangement, followed in the aft compartment of the airplane with a 4-place dining grouping, conference area, and 2 executive chairs directly across. The table is hydraulically operated for a high-low table. It can be lowered to the base of the seats and a bed covering placed over it to accommodate anyone who wants to sleep in the aft portion of the cabin. In fact, the seats can be converted for sleeping areas for upwards of 5 passengers in this configuration. The Falcon 2000EX cabin provides for over 1,000 cubic feet of space. In addition to that, you have an aft lavatory, privacy area, and direct access to the baggage compartment from the cabin of the airplane that is accessible in flight. State-of-the-art avionics include enhancements that make the aircraft ready for next-gen operation. After Dassault initially introduced the Falcon 2000 series with a Pro Line 4 cockpit, they have segued into their Easy Flight Deck. Today, the Easy Flight Deck offers a certification up through what is referred to as Step 3. Pratt & Whitney 308 engines make the Falcon 2000EX a virtual rocket ship. High-speed cruise is 482 knots, while long-range cruise is at 421 knots. Time to climb in this airplane is 16 minutes to that flight level.